You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it's I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So, before I make this video, before I start the video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support, the love, all the views that I got on the Samsung Galaxy experience, the Samsung experience that I went to do in London. That video has 1.7k views, which is just absolutely insane, and it's just been the most viewed videos in the amount of time that the video is up right now. It's just absolutely amazing. But yeah guys, like I said to you, I will be bringing you guys the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4 in the studio. I couldn't wait. So yeah, we have the Fold 4 in the studio today. I'm going to be unboxing it and we're going to be checking it out. And yeah, let's get straight right into it. Anyway, on my side here, these are cases for this Galaxy Fold 4, which will be on a separate video. So that I ordered with this for a separate video. And yeah, I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 3 here as well, so we can compare as well if we need to. But yeah, let's get straight right into the box. So obviously the box looks like exactly the same design as we had with the Galaxy Z3. I mean, with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So it's just a nice flat, square box there, just a standard box from Samsung, to be honest with you. Then you got your little big fold, bold writing at the front there, and then on the sides of it, you got the nice Galaxy Z Fold font written on there as well. And then on the other side, we just have the Samsung font just written on there. Anyways, let's get straight right into it. So let's cut the seal. And just like that, we are in. So the color that I've chosen, I was gonna buy something crazy. I was gonna buy the gold one, but I thought, you know what, obviously the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Fold 3 came with the green. I think it's a peppermint green or something like that. But this color I actually have here is called the dark green. I can't actually physically remember the color. I think it was like called dark green or something like that. I wasn't too sure at all, but I can't wait to check the color out. Really can't wait. But yeah, that's the device. We're gonna put that down for a minute and see what else we have in the box. There's nothing in there. Obviously in here we have some paperwork. So we have inside here, oh wow, we have things that are very nicely laid out. So we have a nice USB to USB cable to obviously charge up the device over there, which is quite nice and handy. Then we have the startup guide and the quick setup and the warranty stuff there. You can see which is all there, which is nice. What else do we have in here? No idea. There's nothing else in here. Nothing else in here. Got me thinking, where is the SIM injector to, man? Oh, this comes out fully. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's the SIM injector too. Oh wow, I didn't even know that fully came out. So literally, that's it. That everything on the table. So the cable and this gets tidied up and on here. And then it gets put into this box. Look at that. It goes in like that. I didn't even notice it's got like a little tab at the bottom there. You guys can see it's got like that little tab there to actually pull it out. Then you have everything. But yeah, this the SIM injector 2 I was looking for. It's right there, the SIM injector 2. Still pretty much the same design as the rest of the devices, but that's pretty much all we have in the box, man. Nothing really major or nothing really different from Samsung. Obviously they don't provide us with the USB they don't provide us with the adapter anymore. So the wall adapter, they don't provide us that anymore to charge the device up. You just have to use one from your old devices, or you can just buy one. But yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see what this color really is about. I want to know. Oh wow. Wow. That's amazing. That is amazing. Like I said to you guys with the in the Galaxy experience thing that I went to, both phones look really different. They look very similar, but the way you can definitely tell that they've changed up the design with the Galaxy Z4, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it just looks so much better. I don't want to go into too much details of comparing the device. That will be in another video when I verse both of them. But I just want to have a look at this green. It said it was, I think it was gray green, I think it was, yeah. Gray green. So I'm not really seeing where the whole gray green is coming from. There's no really green. I'm just seeing more. I'm seeing more blue, to be honest with you, like a really watercolor green. But I mean, there's gray there, but I don't really see any green there at all. I mean, comparing it with the Pantheon green from the Flip 3, you can see there isn't much of a green in the gray green. All I can see is just gray, but to be honest with you, it's a nice color. Very beautiful. It looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely incredible. I love what they've done with it. It feels so much lighter. So much lighter. Damn, it feels so light. I even sent this in my video as well that I made previously, that you guys gave me so much love and support on. But anyway, let's run through the device real quick. So at the side of it, oh my goodness, I just did the first fold. There was no crease in it, but now there's a crease. Okay, so on the side of the phone, obviously we have the volume up and down. Then we have the lock button there as well. Also the fingerprint scanner as well, which is very nice from Samsung there. Then at the bottom of the device we have the, of course we have the lock button. We have the USB-C port, and obviously we have the speaker grills in there as well, which is pretty cool. And then obviously you got the mic up there as well, which is really nice. And then on the other side, which is actually the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 3, this side we just have the SIM ejector tray. So you can literally take it out and you swap out your SIM card with there. Then at the top we have some more speaker grills, and then we have a few mics up there as well, which is very nice as well. But yeah, and then at the back obviously we have the camera module, which looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning. But yeah, man, I can't wait to actually use this thing and just mess around with it. It looks absolutely awesome. Just want to give a little comparing with the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it honestly it really is. You can tell the difference, which is just absolutely awesome. But I mean, that's for a separate video, but at the moment it's just really absolutely nice. But yeah guys, that's been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. But yeah, if you guys want to check out the Z Flip 4 as well, I'll be bringing that onto the studio as well. I'll be unboxing that device as well, which will be really good. But yeah, the Fold 4 looks absolutely awesome, being in the studio and me actually being able to touch it and feel it, and be able to have it in my hands. And yeah, it's just wow, it's absolutely phenomenal. I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to start using it. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Once again, thank you for the love and support that you guys gave me on that video. 1.7k views, that's a lot of views. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I can't wait to verse these two phones together. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below and tell me if you're excited for the Galaxy Fold 4 and the Flip 4 as well. And also tell me if you guys have picked up one of these, because they're out for sale now. You can go pick them up from any shop, or you can even pick it up from the Samsung's website. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.